We have a total of 320,000 square feet here at West High. I've been doing this custodial work for over 20 years now. Our floors are the cleanest floors in the district. Here's been a game changer for us. As I'm turning on the lights, here comes out automatically. We pass each other down D Hall. We use here in our hallways. We use in our cafeteria, in our auditorium. We also use in our gymnasiums. Pretty much any hard surface that we have outside the classroom, we use Kira. It allows us to streamline the more important things like dusting, sanitizing our touch points, edging our floors, deep cleaning our restrooms, extra periodic tasks that we normally do on a bi-weekly to monthly schedule, and she allows us to do it on a daily schedule. A lot of people are afraid autonomous is going to replace their jobs. Kira is a team member. We've been down 2 people. It's hard to get the positions filled. At night, she gives us 6 hours of continuous cleaning. So what Kira does allows us to do more with less. Kira handles herself in one self-docking station. It dumps the dirty solution, then it rinses the tank out with fresh, clean water, refills itself, and it also charges itself. So it's all-in-one, and it saves us a ton of time. I love the consistency with Kira. She navigates real well around obstacles. She's always on time and runs like she's supposed to. I like to thank the district supervisors for bringing Kira here for us. It's been an ultimate game changer for us here, and we're all happy about it.